They call it ghetto steak. They call it chicken back. To some, it's just scraps, but to a Jamaican, this is 5-star flavor and a 50-cent budget. Today we're making curry chicken back Jamaican style, and I'm gonna show you how to cook it so good that you forget that the breast and thigh even exist. And we're diving into the history of how this struggle meal conquered the island of Jamaica. Yes guys, so we have 2 pounds right here, 2 pounds of chicken back. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the excess fat, the chicken body, as we call it in Jamaica. Yeah, after that we're gonna give it a nice wash with some vinegar and water, and then we're gonna talk some history about the chicken back. All right, so like I said, you wanna remove the extra fat, remove some from the back. And then we're gonna also flip it open and then clean out anything inside of here that we don't want, that we don't need. Yeah man, now it's that time to start seasoning up the chicken back Jamaican style. Everything about this video today is Jamaican. Forward. Yeah man, so we're just gonna split the chicken back in half, guys. Yeah man, so chicken back didn't become a staple because we loved the anatomy of the spine. It was about survival. During the 20th century, as the cost of living climbed, the prime cuts, the breasts and legs were exported or sold to the wealthy. What was left for the working class? The backs, the necks, and the feet. So here I have some Jamaican curry powder, some allspice pimento berries. Here I have some all-purpose seasoning. I have some green onion, thyme, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm also gonna add some potato to it later on in the cooking process. I'll show y'all as we go on, all right? All right, so we're gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. It's about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add our crushed pimento berries. We're gonna add a little bit of this curry powder, not too much, because whatever is left over, we're gonna burn it later on in the cooking process. Time to get the hands dirty, all right? So we're gonna drop a little bit of water to it. All right, so me adding the water to it, that's just gonna allow the seasoning to wrap around the chicken back, more evenly, Yeah man, soak right in. This is more like a brine, you understand? Yeah. So now that the chicken back is nice and seasoned, we're gonna add our fresh seasoning to it. Let's start off by, chopping up the onion. Give it some rough chops. Nothing fancy, guys. All right. We have the green onion over here. Let's do the same thing. But here's the thing about Jamaicans. We don't just eat, we season. We took the scraps and hit them with the Holy Trinity, scallion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. Slide that right in, guys. We're gonna let this marinate for about a good 30 minutes to an hour. And then we're gonna start cooking. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of cooking oil, not too much. Yes. Add the curry. You see this? We call this burning the curry, guys. You've got to bloom the spice in the oil first. Extract that flavor. You don't cook the curry will cook you. And nobody wants that raw powder taste in their chest. This dish represents Jamaican resilience. We took what was meant to be less than and turned it into a delicacy. By the 1970s and 80s, chicken back was the backbone of the Jamaican diet. It's what built the athletes, the musicians, and the students. All right, so now we're just gonna close it down and let it cook a little bit for a few minutes, about 5 minutes. Keep stirring, and then we're gonna add some water to it. All right, so we're just gonna check on the chicken real quick. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. So we're gonna give it one final stir and then add some water to it. Oh my God, it's smelling lovely, guys. Beautiful. Add some water to it. And we're just gonna let this cook for about 40 minutes, you know, on medium-high heat until it's nice and soft, falling off the bone, juicy, spicy, flavorful. Yeah, man. All right, guys, so meanwhile, the curry chicken back go and cook. You know, we gotta have it with some side, you know? We gotta have boiled dumpling or some white rice, all right? So we're gonna make some boiled dumpling today, guys. So here I have some all-purpose flour. I have a little bit of pink salt. I'm not gonna add the whole thing, just a little bit. We're gonna add pink salt to the water same way. All right, so this is the flour. And we're gonna add some water. All right, so we're gonna gradually add our water, room temperature water. Not gonna add the whole thing right away, cause if you add the whole thing, guys, you spoil the flour, you know, spoil the dumpling. Yeah, man, so we're just gonna add a little bit of water at a time. If you've never had chicken back, curry chicken back, Jamaican style, yeah, you need to check it out. You need to try it. Take a flight to Jamaica. Yeah, man. And tell them, say you want some brown stew chicken back, curry chicken back, fried chicken back, you know, fricassee, any type of chicken back. Yeah, man, even jerk. Yeah, man. The Jamaican boiled dumpling is the ultimate survival food. Its roots goes back to the plantation era, when workers were given meager rations of flour and cornmeal. Unlike bread, which required an oven, a dumpling only needed a pot of boiling water, making it the most portable and efficient meal for the fields. It's known as hard food because it was designed to be dense and heavy, providing the sustained energy needed to last from sunrise to sunset. Today, it remains the anchor of the Jamaican plate, built for strength and resilience. Yes, guys, the chicken back, the curry chicken back is nice and proper. It's ready. Yeah, man, it's smelling good, guys. So we're about to share out the food right now with the boiled dumpling and making you know what go on. Yes, people, food ready, you know, man. Smelling good. Let me know how many dumplings, how much dumpling you need on the plate. Yeah. We just got sample 3 dumpling right now. Looking lovely. Oh my God, guys, trust me. It's been years since I had, some good chicken back with dumpling. Today we're having it curry chicken back with the boiled dumpling, Jamaican style. So first, we're gonna dig in to the boiled dumpling. Wow. Boiled dumpling, perfect. And with chicken back, you have to do it yardman style. You don't need a knife and fork for this. You need your fingers and your hand. Yes. The next time you see chicken back in the store, don't look down on it. Just respect the struggle, respect the history, and most importantly, respect the gravy. People, this is good. It's nice. Yes, guys, if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes, more amazing videos, vlog, all type of video. Big up on yourself. One love. Peace.